As most people know, I spend more time in the outdoors than your average Joe. I've been doing it my entire life, and throughout those years, I've learned many things in regards to survival, backpacking, bushcraft, using a tent, using a hammock, and so on. If I could go back in time to when I was younger and share with myself a tip in regards to a hammock, it would be this tip here. Last week, I had a video in regards to a tip for a tent. Today, we have a tip for a hammock. So folks, my name is Luke. This is the Outdoor Gear Review. Let's get to it. For this tip, it involves a hammock that has a built-in bug net, such as this. Most people, when it comes to your hammock, you have the built-in bug net to protect you from mosquitoes, bugs, and so on. Here in the southeast, in the summertime, the warmer months, you would have to be insane to go camping in a hammock without a good bug net. You would be eaten alive. So, with this tip, you have to have a hammock that has a built-in bug mesh. This is super simple and is going to save you a ton of frustration. With that being said, let's hop inside of the hammock now. Now, when you're inside of your hammock and it's one that features a bug mesh, what is the worst part about the entire setup? Opening and closing the hammock. Because most people can't bend in half and grab the zipper and pull it shut. That is why you attach a piece of guy line, piece of cord to the zipper, and you can pull it shut just like this. For this tip here, it makes closing and even opening the hammock super simple. So, you saw how easy it was to close it. Let's go ahead and open it. So you grab it and you pull it down. You start opening it up. Then you take your foot and put it around that cord. And you just push it down and open it that way. So my question for you all is this: what do you all think about this tip? This is something that I've personally done for more years than I can count, and honestly, it's the only way that I can use a hammock like this. I simply cannot bend in half to open and close that door. When I was younger, I suffered a back injury. I actually broke my back in 2 places, so I do not bend very well. So this makes using a hammock very easy. Easy to pull that shut, easy to open it up. It's fantastic. If you guys have any questions, make sure to email me. If you have any comments, make sure to leave them down below. Everybody, take care, strength and honor. More videos are coming soon. Thank you all for the support. See ya.